Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the hardware and software. First, check that the SSD has equal or greater usable capacity than your data. Backup important files now. Connect the SSD via SATA or a USB adapter and install cloning software. Disk-to-disk works fastest. Make sure your system power settings won't interrupt the process, and confirm whether your machine uses UEFI or legacy BIOS so partitions clone correctly. Once done, start the cloning tool and choose Source HDD and Target SSD to begin copying sectors. You now handle the complex middle steps of the copy. Select sector-by-sector cloning for an exact replica, or choose intelligent cloning if you need to shrink partitions onto a smaller SSD. The software will let you resize partitions during transfer. Make sure partitions are aligned to 1 MB or a 2048 sector boundary for optimal SSD performance. While cloning runs, watch the progress and do not disconnect drives or lose power, because interrupted clones corrupt data. Once complete, verify clone success in the tool's summary. You finish by installing and validating the SSD as the system drive. Power down, mount the SSD in the bay, connect to the SATA port, and optionally remove or repurpose the old HDD. Boot into BIOS or UEFI, set the SSD as the primary boot device, and enable OSI to ensure optimal speed. If the OS won't boot, run disk check and repair the bootloader, or reconnect drives and reclone. Sometimes a fresh clone fixes mismatch issues. Lastly, enable trim and check firmware updates to maintain SSD health.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.